Alright, since napag-usapan natin last time is practice, let me give you some tips to make your practice shorter but more efficient. Okay, kasi of course, kapag hindi mo talaga alam yung ginagawa mo when you're practicing, nauubos talaga yung oras, no? Most of the time, ang mga beginners, nauubos yung oras nila because they play everything. Okay? So, syempre, if you're starting out, no, maiiksi yung mga pyesa mo. So, let's say a piece could last 35 seconds, 40 seconds lang, o less than a minute, ganyan, 1 minute or a minute and a half, 'di ba? So, may iksi pa. Kaya, yung nakakasanayan na practice ng isang beginner is just repeating the whole thing. Laging paulit-ulit lang. Kahit na yung parts na alam niya na, ulit-ulitin niya lang din, 'di ba? So again, the problem with repetition is that if you're repeating the wrong things. Kung gusto mong mapaiksi yung practice time mo and be more efficient, is you have to only repeat or practice in segments, no? So hahanapan mo ng way to group certain sections of a piece together and then focus on those groups. Kasi, again, may mga pieces na alam mo na, hindi mo na kailangang ulit-ulitin yan di ba? Minsan, doon nauubos yung oras. Kasi, let's say for example, your piece is 35 seconds long. Tapos, may 5-second section doon, let's say, mga 2 or 3 bars na hindi mo tinatamaan. Pero, dahil nasanay ka na gano'n ang practice mo, uulitin mo mula umpisa. Let's say if last 5 bars yung problema mo, ulitin mo mula umpisa hanggang doon sa last 5 bars. So, nasasayang yung oras mo. Instead of practicing that 5-second passage, let's say in 1 minute, di ba? You can practice that 12 times kung re-repeat mo siya 12 times and maayos mo siya. Pero dahil uulitin mo yung buong 35-second piece na yun, mapapractice mo lang siya within 1 minute, 2 beses lang or less, 'di ba? Kasi nga 35 seconds. So ganun yung dapat na way of thinking. Sabi ko nga, when you practice, you need to be more analytical rather than going through the motions. Ganun ka-importante yung oras para hindi agad nasasayang. So if you wanna focus on segment, yun muna. Linisin mo, find a way to make it work, and then slowly add the things that are needed to be added. Ano yung mga i-add mo doon? Which is the part before that passage and the part after. So let's say for example, in the middle of a section, you have a three bar phrase na hindi mo matamaan. So focus on that 3-bar phrase, no? Pag nakuha mo na siya, add the previous part and then tuloy mo hanggang dun sa problem area and then pag okay na yon, buuin mo naman sa kabilang side, yung susunod. No, para alam mo na continuous yung flow. And then that's the time na bubuuin mo yung isa, yung buong piece, no? Kasi syempre habang tumatagal, lumahaba yung pyesa natin, kailangan nagkakaroon tayo ng iba-ibang ways. Now, hindi rin naman kailangan every practice session mabuo mo ng mabuo yung pyesa, especially if you are in the what we call a building phase, no, which is inaalam mo yung notes, inaalam mo yung phrasing, inaalam mo yung fingerings, bowings. Sa building phase, you don't even need to touch things na alam mo na, 'di ba? Kasi ka binibuild mo. So focus on the important parts, no, even on etudes, 'di ba? Hindi mo kailangan tugtugin yung buong etude kung may part lang doon na hindi mo tamaan, no? Kasi sometimes, of course, masarap talaga sa feeling na tinatamaan natin lahat, no? Kaya yung iba, yun yung nagiging solution nila. Play the whole thing. Masarap sa feeling kasi halos buo na nila. Tapos pagdating lang doon sa problem area, ay, biglang, you lose confidence, no? Nakaka-boost ng confidence na alam mo, but you're also losing it because you don't know the remaining parts. So, better to focus most of your energy in practicing the harder parts, no? And then, buuin mo. That would save you a lot of time. That would save you a lot of effort, no? It's the same thing as, alam mo yon, yung parang, kumbaga, parang mag-grocery ka, tapos may nailimutan ka isang bagay, syempre, babalik ka na naman, magte-travel ka na naman just to get that thing. Tapos, babalik ka, ay, may nakalimutan ka na naman. Di ba parang ganun yung nagiging cycle or loop. Nakakapagod siya, it's draining, and of course, ayun nga, nakakawala ng confidence kasi biglang may stoppage na nangyayari, no? So focus on the problem areas when you're practicing para kung hindi mo man mabuo within a week yung buong section or yung buong piece, at least yung passage na yun mako-complete mo. No, slowly but surely, no. Yung iba kasi nagmamadali eh. Maybe because of how we are presented with pieces, no, over here on social media, parang pag may nakita ka kasi perfect na agad, no. But in reality, it takes a lot of time and effort just to build certain skills and of course, practice certain pieces. So kailangan mo talaga yung practice na fruitful, meaningful, mindful. And that only comes when you have a plan and you understand how to break down things into smaller, manageable pieces rather than taking it head on, pasada ka lang pasada, which is the most common way people do practice. Kaya yung iba, nagtatampo, nalulungkot. Bakit ganon? 8 hours ako nag-practice, hindi ko tamaan. Because you're practicing the wrong parts, no? You're not practicing the wrong way, but maybe you are practicing the wrong passage, the wrong things, di ba? Kaya, ang nangyayari, instead of you building up, you're slowly breaking down kasi hindi mo tinatamaan yung dapat na tinatamaan mo. So, again, work smart, work efficiently. Hindi mo kailangang umubos ng sobrang daming oras. Just focus your energy, your effort on problem areas and find solutions in them para pag tinugtog mo ng buo, lahat maganda. So, sana nakatulong to. If it did, comment down below. And I'll see you on the next one. Good luck sa inyo.